So click on the gear icon to go to your Stripe settings. Then select the business option under the account settings section. Then choose the bank account and currencies option, which will open up this window. You can then add your Payoneer account as the bank account by clicking on this Add a Bank Account. Or if you already have the bank account listed in the same currency as your Payoneer, then you want to change the current bank to your Payoneer account. Like mine over here in the USD, then you have to click on the Edit button. But if you doesn't have any currency that's suitable with your Payoneer currency, or you just want to add another currency, then you may click on this Add a Settlement Currency and select the currency to be added in accordance with your Payoneer account. Then tap on the Add Currency button. After that, click on this Add a Bank Account or the Edit button. You can start to enter your Payoneer account holder name, routing number, and account number. And to do it on your Payoneer account, at the home page, select the chosen currency to be linked with the Stripe account. I'll go with the USD. Then select Get Bank Account Details button and choose the recipient account that you have. And you can see your account name, routing number, and your account number. Submit all of those info in this blank section. Don't forget to enter the account number again and hit the Save button. You are then good to go. Your Payoneer account already linked to the Stripe account. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.